Good afternoon. My name is Nick Rader. I'm an account manager in CSM here at inspace. And today I'm going to be showing you how to add/replace a floor plan. So as you can see on the screen here, we have a sample floor plan that's already comes with the inspace profile. So when you join inspace, you will have access to a dummy floor plan with dummy data. And when you're ready to upload your new map, this is exactly how you'll do that. So the first thing we'll want to do is we'll want to go to the settings tab here and go to space settings. Now here you're going to have the sample floor plan that you already have. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to replace that floor plan. So you'll click here and this box will come up, which will say drag and drop a file here or click. So since I already have my map pulled up in my downloads here, I'll double click that, make sure that it's added to the box. Once it's been added, I'm going to hit upload. Now, when I've hit upload, you're going to see this drop down that wasn't there before that'll say existing workspaces. So this will only come up populated when you're replacing an existing map on your floor plan. So for example, if you made changes to the layout of your office, you need to change your floor plan, all of your existing workspaces will come up and you'll be able to either transfer them over directly or you'll be able to reallocate the workspaces. But since all we're doing is adding a floor plan here, there's nothing to be transferred. All we need to do is hit confirm. So we'll hit confirm. This little warning will come up that will say, attention, undefined places will be deleted after confirmation. As I mentioned, that's not valid for the addition of the floor plan that we're going to be putting in. So we'll hit confirm. And now I have my new floor plan up. So here, if I want to start allocating certain spaces to that floor plan, the thing that we can do is go to edit floor plan as we're in right now. Let's say we want to create and allocate the floor or the space San Francisco. So I'll click on it. It's going to bring up this little drop down here that's going to have three areas. First one is going to be the space number, and that's completely malleable. You can make that number whatever you'd like, but let's just say for the purposes of the video, we're going to make that space number 1. And then if one of our devices is listed in the room as far as a device that you can hold your phone up to and have the room booked through the phone, it will require an NFC ID, which will be provided to you when the device is installed. Again, for the purposes of the video, I'll just put in a randomly generated number here. And then what I'll want to do is assign a space to it. Now, since on the floor plan, it says that the space is to be called San Francisco, I'll find San Francisco in the dropdown, click that, and now that space is bookable. So all I did was give it a space number, which, as I said, is completely up to you. Could be space 1, could be space 200, whatever you choose. Assign an NFC number to it, which we will provide to you when we install the devices. And then just make sure that you're linking it to the name of the room, in this case, San Francisco. So now when I go back to the floor plan, that is bookable. I can click that and I can book it. So that's how you add a floor plan. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact the CSM that's handling your account, and they would be happy to help you. Thanks again.